There's an angel named Gabriel.
Gabriel. And what do we call it in Urdu?
I don't know.
Urdu or in Arabic, the Gabriel is called as Jibreel.
Jibreel? That sounds a team.
Jean, that's correct. Yeah. And there is another angel, his name is Mikaeel.
Mikhail?
And in English, he's called Micheal.
Mikaeel?
Yes. And there is another angel, his name is Izraeel.
What, Rael? That sounds like a hot name.
A hot name? How does that make it a hot name?
'Cause of the R.
Okay. And Allah Ta'ala created angels way before Allah Ta'ala created anything else, even the universe.
Or houses on the universe?
Houses are just made by human beings, like to live in. Allah Ta'ala gave everybody the knowledge to create those houses. But angels, Allah Ta'ala created long before any of humanity, jinns, human beings, or anybody.
Can Allah Ta'ala stop creating jinns?
They're already been created. Just like human beings are already been created. Now they keep on reproducing themselves. So they will all be stopped. We will all be stopped being created or reproduced on the Day of Judgment. And Allah Ta'ala assigned to these angels special jobs.
Special job?
Yes, all of the angels have special jobs to do. Like Mikhail Salam. Michael, his special job is to
What?
is to rain. Rain on different parts of earth.
Rain on different parts of earth? That doesn't sound good.
Why not?
Because everything will get wet.
But rain is very important. How else are plants going to grow? How else we will find the water to drink? How else all the other animals will find water to drink? So rain
Or
is...
else how to take a shower.
Yes. We cannot live without water, even for one day. You know that? And all our food is produced with the help of water. We need water for everything in our life. Our bodies are even made 70% with water.
Mama, do you know that food is made with the water with the food?
Yeah, of course. When we make the food, when we have to make the stew or salan, we have to put water in it, right?
Well, stew is an English word, but salan means soup.
That's right, salan and soup. We
Or
need
stew.
water for that. That's correct. So, Mikhail Salam, his special job is to take care of the rain. How much, where it's
He
going to
needs to make the rain so that he can let people take a shower.
be. Yes, people do need the rain to take a
Well,
shower.
did you remember that I took a shower
Yes.
in the rain?
I don't remember you took a shower in the rain, but yes. So, and then Jibrael Islam, his special job was to...
Mama, Allah Ta'ala created a lot of persons with salam.
Alayhi salam. Alayhi salam is we humans say that. It means peace be upon them. Okay? What does alayhi salam mean? Peace be upon them.
Peace be upon them.
Yes. So, Jibrael Islam's special job is to bring Allah Ta'ala's messages from the heavens, above the heavens, from Allah Ta'ala to his messengers. How many messengers were there?
127. 127,000.
24,000.
124,000.
Yeah.
More than 127.
Yes, this is how many messengers Allah Ta'ala sent. And to all of them,
But
Jibrael
the last
Islam
one was Quran.
the last messenger is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
He got
And
a Quran book.
Yes, so the message that Jibrael Salam was bringing down from Allah Ta'ala to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that all message was Quran. That message was Quran. And it's like a manual. So Allah Ta'ala was basically instructing Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam through Jibrael Salam in the form of Quran. How Muslims or everybody in the world should live their lives, so they can go back to where? They can go back to in their eternal place of living, which is heaven, right?
There is a Google of heavens.
Yes, we don't know how big it is, but it's huge. It's
Huge as a frog.
Like many earths can fit in a heaven.
Mama,
Hmm.
it's huge as the sun.
Even probably bigger than that, because Allah Ta'ala is going to even, distinguish the sun when it's the day of judgment. All the sun, the moon, all the planets, they will all
Then
be
how will
gone.
we see?
Because we will all be dead. Everybody will be dead on the day of judgment. Allah Ta'ala will make everything, every being die. Even the angels. And then only Allah Ta'ala will be left. And they will all be dead as long as Allah Ta'ala will wish for. And then Allah Ta'ala...
Every time you be dead, you just wish for the heaven.
That's right. But there are not very many times you be dead. You die once. Right?
Yeah.
So we were talking about angels. You distracted me. And we went into the day of judgment. So we were talking about angels. So Mikhail Islam, what was he doing? He has the job of taking care of the rain, right? And Jibrael Islam, his job is to take care of the messages that Allah Ta'ala sent down for the messengers, so they can all deliver it to everybody, all the human beings, right? And then there is another angel. His name is Izrael Salam, or we also call him Malakal Maut. He is the angel of death. When a person's time to die, then he comes and he takes away the soul.
Why?
Because it's their time of death. Because Allah Ta'ala has written for us when we will be born and when we will die. And nobody, not even ourselves, no one knows that.
Do you remember I was in the heaven and Allah Ta'ala made me born?
Yes, all of us probably. We were probably not in the heaven, but we will go back to heaven if we are good, if we pray namaz on time, if we do all the good deeds, if we be nice to everybody, then we will go back to it. Okay? So what's the job of Malakal Maut? He's the angel of death. Okay? So angel of death, he comes and he takes away the souls of everybody. Do you remember? We talked about the story of how angel of death took the soul of Abuji. Do you remember that? The day he died? We are going to go back and read that story one more time. I will tell you that story again someday. Okay? So, the fourth biggest angel. The fourth biggest angel, his name was Israfeel alayhi salam. His name is Israfeel alayhi salam, and his job is only to blow a horn before the day of judgment.
And blow a horn like...
Yes. We don't know how big it is, how it's like, but I think whoever will be alive will be able to hear that. So he's going to blow into a horn, and on the first blow, when the first sound is heard, everybody on earth will die. No matter human beings and
Babies.
jinns, babies, all the animals, fishes, bird, everything will die. Everything. Everything will be dead. Plants too. Allah Ta'ala maybe make the world all flat, and then he is going to blow the horn again. When he will blow the horn again,
Like
everyone...
turn our world this
flat, yes. Then everyone, all the human beings who have been died since the very first human being, they all will raise out from the dead. They will come out from their graves. Everybody will be alive again.
like alive, dead, alive.
That's true.
Like a pattern.
It's a pattern, that's true. So everybody will be alive, and that's when the day of judgment begins. That's when everybody will stand in front of Allah Ta'ala, and Allah Ta'ala will start telling them their deeds. How many people have done good deeds, how many people have done bad deeds, and based on those, that will be the day after which people will start going to go in the heaven and in the hell. So what did we learn today? We learned about 4 big angels, right?
There's only 4.
No, there are, we don't even know, we can't even count them. There are too many, but 4 of them that we know of.
We can't count them because it's too much.
There are too many, but these
They keep
4,
on moving.
you can say the leaders of other angels, and they have specific jobs. So the first one was Mikhail Salam. His job was to do the rain. And the second one was Jibrael Islam. His job is to bring the messages to the messengers from Allah Ta'ala, and he also helps the people, the messengers in the wars. Sometimes he brings his army, and he starts fighting with the messengers. And then the third one was Malakul Maut, Izrael Islam, and his job is to take away the life, take away the souls of the people when it's their time to die. The fourth one is Israfeel Islam, whose job is to blow the horn on the day of judgment. Okay? So let's see, we will talk about this again, and I hope that Ali is able to remember 4 big angels and their jobs. Alright?
Yeah. 4 big angels, 4 jobs.
4 jobs, that's correct. 4 big angels, 4 jobs.